about yourself?
Yes, my name is Aradhya Rawat and I'm the student of class 9. My favorite color is light green and I want to become engineer or singer in my life. And my inspiration was Justin Bieber because he was when he was 13 years old he started his career. And my favorite footballer is Messi and I like to play guitar also. Mostly I spend my time with my cycle and in SCON Bhagavad Gita Pathshala also. And my favorite fruit is strawberry and banana also. And I am very happy to join this
Institute
also. Yes.
For how many days you are joining here?
7 days.
7 days. Are you 7 days free of cost classes?
Yes, yes.
Are you enjoying here also?
Yes, I am also enjoying.
Okay. Now you tell me some thoughts.
Nature is the best teacher. Time is greater than money. Time is greater master. Drink a cup of knowledge every day. Let's come the noble ideas from every corner. Do good, be good, and make your dream true. And without zero, maths is zero.
No, to be said, nature is the best teacher. Do you agree with it?
Yes, because nature is giving us each and everything to all human beings and every living entities which are in our world.
Tell me something which the nature gives us.
Food, oxygen, like some all type of airs like hydrogen, oxygen, these are also etc. And main thing is food. We must have need food also.
What we learn from the sun?
That he do his work. It gives us light, refreshing, and sun is very
main source of
energy photosynthesis also. Yes, and by nature we must have to utilize that. They give their time, they work their time in time to time. They work.
They are very punctual.
Yes.
In their work. Sun rises always right time, and sets always in right time also. And nature always gives everything. Does not take anything. Nature does not take anything also. Okay. And tell me some thought about the teacher.
Teacher is the second mother of the child, and teacher is our guru also.
Guru also. Pillars of the nation.
Pillars of the nation.
They are the foundation of the nation.
They guide us that how to face our career also.
Okay. Now tell me about the good manners. Some good manners.
We should obey our rules and regulation of India, and we should wake up early in the morning. We should sleep at time.
According to your class sister, make the sentences.
We should never give up. And we should obey our parents and elders also. And we should never tell a lie.
Should we complete every work in time or not?
Yes. We should work every work in our time.
Okay. Now, what are the table manners?
We should sit straight when we are eating, and we should never waste food. And we should not chew food by open mouth. We should chew food most 32 times. And we should never waste food, and we should not take too much. First of all, we have to finish that, and we should ask someone, please or may I, if you want something.
Okay. Now, tell me some Bollywood famous actor.
Bollywood, anyone.
Any?
Tiger Shroff.
Yes.
And Hrithik Roshan also. And
any fine? Three more.
Katrina Kaif, Shah Rukh Khan, and Salman Khan.
Okay. Who's your best actor?
My best, Hrithik Roshan.
Why do you like him?
Because his dance move is so amazing.
Okay. And best song?
Best song? Actually, I mostly used to hear Hollywood song.
Okay.
Like Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran.
Okay, right. Okay. Now, who invented aeroplane?
I actually not know, but two brothers are there. They
Wright brothers.
Yes.
Wright
brothers. Yeah.
Okay. And electricity?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Right. And who is the finance minister of our country?
What is his name?
Finance minister. Can you, Laksham, ask him? Who is the finance minister?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sis Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay. And who is the home minister of our country?
Mr. Amit Shah.
Amit Shah. And who invented television?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. And can you tell something about your city, Dehradun?
Yes, my city is very peaceful and it is covered by many hilly and there are so many hill stations, malls and it was there are in Dehradun the nature we can't understand, they suddenly change.
Right.
And they are
Dehradun is famous for how many things? Especially
Gadwalis, also religion, Hindu religion is also there and food also. And hill station.
Dehradun is especially famous for the education.
Education, yes.
How many good schools are here?
There are so many good schools.
Can you name some schools?
Yes, Saint Patrick, Saint Joseph, DAV College, etc. This
And world famous which school is?
Doon School.
Doon School is world famous school, right? And who wrote national anthem?
Mr. Rabindranath Tagore.
National song?
Bankim Chand
Chatterjee. Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Now, what is you are joining here 7 days free conversation class, Saraswati Educational Institute. What's your own experience?
My experience is I like the way that you teach us and the friendly air is there and I can easily like make words by my own language like physics, chemistry. We can make our own language by thinking and any chapter also when we study then we can
within 7 days you are able to understand all subject how you can convert in your own words. It means you want to say that you have learned within 7 days how to convert all subjects
by our own
language also in your own words. You need not to learn each and every questions and chapter also. It's nice here. So what's your aim of life? You want to become
engineer or singer.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.